Hello friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click that bell button to get the notification every day. So friends, today we're going to see how to make chili chutney. It's a spicy, tangy and so good. It's goes so well for dosa, idli and chapati. So friends, all you need few ingredients to make this delicious chutney. Let's see what you need. You need 2 tablespoons urad dal, 1 onion, tamarind, salt and 1 tablespoon roasted chana dal. You will notice have different type of chili. So this is the chili, the original. Once it's dry, it's become dry chili. So we're going to use the dry chili. That is from India, is a whole red chili. The spice level is little bit medium high, and what I'm holding is a goju chili. It's from Mexico. It just give nice red color. It's pretty much similar like a Kashmiri chili. So if you have available Kashmir chili, you can use half of the Kashmir chili and half of the whole dry chili. You must have some of type chili is a round chili. It's from Kontur. It's a round shape chili. So that is from Kontur. So that the heat level is high, you always can use one of or two, and remaining you can use the Kashmiri chili. So friends, you must notice why the chutney is red vibrant color, because they always use the 2 different chili. So it's up to you. You always can keep all the spicy heat chili all, or you can use half of half, but today I'm using half and a half. So in the pan I just add 1 tablespoon oil, and I'm roasting urad dal, tamarind and chili. So have like a 2 type of chili. I'm just adding it. I just want to show you, this is the reason they have nice vibrant red color on our chutney. So I'm going to roast it all until nice golden brown. So you've been seeing now the urad dal changing to the nice golden brown. Now I'm just adding our sliced onion. So we're going to saute until the onion nice and brown. So we just keep saute about 1 to 3 minutes. That's more enough. So friends, so the saute is important to give nice flavor to our chutney. So friends, once it's saute, I add that roasted chana dal and let it cool for 5 minutes. In this same pan, after I transfer all that ingredient to the mixie, I just scrape it with a little bit water to get all that salt and stick on the pan. So just pour it, and I'm adding also a bit of jaggery. So jaggery gives nice of a balance heat and little spicy and little sweet. It's not too sweet, it's just balance the flavor. So I just grind it to fine paste. So meanwhile I'm going to tempering with a few oil, and then urad dal, mustard seed and asafoetida and curry leaf, friends. So I'm just pouring on the chutney. Look at that color, so vibrant and red. It's so good. It's so good for the dosa, idli and chapati. All you need is few ingredients and available at home, and just ready under 10 minutes, friends. So this is spicy chili chutney. It's all-time favorite and simple and easy, and you can make it in no time. This chutney also good for pakodas. It's all called Mysore bonda. It's so good with that too. Nowadays we always use for the tandoori kebab as a dipping sauce. So it's so much use, and you can have lot of variety food, and you can use as a dipping, as a Indian sauce. So friends, I have made the idli and I'm just showing. Look at that, it's so good. It's spicy, little bit tangy, is so balanced, but the heat is there. So friends, please try this recipe and don't forget to leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.